Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking your data, scheduled time in one column and actual clock-in the next. Once done, set both cells to a time format or custom so Excel treats them as times. Make sure any overnight spans are handled by using 24-hour entries or adding dates. You might want decimal hours. If so, multiply the time difference by 24. First actionable move. Input sample rows and set formats now so formulas later behave correctly. You now enter the core formula in a helper column. Type equals if C2B2, C2B2, 0 to compute only positive lateness. This prevents negative early arrival values. Once entered, copy the formula down the column. If you need minutes, wrap the difference with *1440. For decimal hours, use *24. Make sure cell formatting matches the result. Time format for durations, number for decimals. If times cross midnight, include dates or adjust with +if. You finish by converting formulas into final outputs and summing lateness if required. Use absolute references, when copying formulas that reference fixed cells like Shift Start. If a cell shows text, convert it with value or time value so calculations work. Make sure regional time separators match Excel settings. If results look off for overnight shifts, add logic to detect C earlier than B and add 1 day. Finally, test a few edge cases to confirm accuracy and adjust formatting as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.